Account registration. Step 1. Download the app. Search for Esysunhome in the Apple App Store or Google Play and download the app. Step 2. Registration page. Tap Register on the login screen. Step 3. Registration process. Step 3.1. Please register with your email address and tap the Next button. Step 3.2. Type in the verification code sent to your email. Set password. Select your country. Tap to agree with user agreements and policies. Step 3.3. Tap Create Account to continue. Step 3.4. Fill in the account information and tap Save to finish process.